Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Klaviyo for email marketing. And it is going to be a step-by-step video, so don't miss out on anything, and you will become an expert of email marketing using Klaviyo by the end of this video. So let's get started with it. And for that you need to just open up your browser first and search for Klaviyo over here. And after that, in the search results, just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up, and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you need to just sign up for a new account on Klaviyo. Just click on this option of sign up, then provide all the details related to you and create an account for yourself. While creating your account, it will ask you what is your top goal for your business. Like it can be to grow your audience, or if you want to earn more revenue through sales, or you want to build customer relationship. So just choose it accordingly as per your requirements. After that, it will ask you whether you want to use just the email or SMS, or email and SMS. Just choose it accordingly. And SMS is also limited to some countries, and it might not be available in all the countries out there, since this tutorial is based on emails only. So we will just select email for now. And in the last step, you will be sent an activation email to your email address. You just have to click on it, and your Klaviyo account will be authorized and it will be ready to use. So after your account creation, this is how it will appear for you. And to start an email campaign, we need to just click on this option of campaigns over on the left hand side on this panel. Just click on it and wait for it to load. After that, we can just click on this option of create campaign and just choose email for now and click on create campaign. Then we need to provide certain information, like what is going to be the name of our campaign. Like if it is particularly for someone or some particular marketing strategy that you are going to opt for, you can just name it accordingly. Then you need to choose who you want to send it to. Just click on it, and you need to just you can create this audience by clicking on this option of audience over here in this panel. But in this tutorial, I will just choose one of them and show you how it all works. So we will just select this option of engaged in 30 days. So whoever has engaged with us in last 30 days will be receiving emails from this particular campaign. And we can choose more, but we will just choose this for now. And if we don't want to send this particular email to certain people in our list, then we can just click on this option and search for them. Or we can just create a customized list of people who we don't want to send our emails from this particular campaign. So this way you will be able to choose the target area for our marketing campaign. You will be provided with certain more options over here. Just choose them as per your requirements, and after that you need to just click on this option of continue to content. And here you will be provided assistant to help you with the subject line, so you can just utilize it. And if you don't want to use it, just click on this option of close. So you just write the subject line as per your requirement. But this AI is also quite helpful. Like if your campaign is related to a certain promotion, or you are announcing some product, you can just choose the option accordingly. Like if it is related to promotion, you can just choose it. After that, it will ask you what is the type of promotion. Like if it is a product promotion, so we'll just choose it as an example. And then it will ask us to write the product name, like it is a deodorant, do, and we can just describe this product, and then we can just simply click on generate. After that, it will generate certain subject lines for you. You can choose any of them, or take inspiration from these subject lines and create your own. This one looks good, so I just chose it. And after that, all the other details are the one that you choose while creating your account, like the sender name or sender email address. You can also change it while sending or creating a particular campaign or email campaign. And when you tick this option, then in this particular email you will be getting all the replies from your campaign. And if you want to change it, then you can just simply click on this option and deselect it. After that, you can select an optional email where you will be receiving all the replies to your particular campaign. So this is how it works. And after that, we need to select how we want our email to be designed. We are provided with three different options. The first one is drag and drop option, the second one is text only, and the third one is HTML. If you are good with coding or HTML, you can just choose this one. But if you want to design your email using text only for more personal feel, you can just select this one. But if you are comfortable with drag and drop options, you will be provided with different options. You need to just drag them and drop them as per your requirements. And this one is quite popular one, and this one is quite easy to use too. So we will just select this one for now, and after that it will redirect us to this page. Here we will be able to see different themes or different templates. We can choose any of them as per our requirements, like how we want to target our client and how we want to target our targeted people. Just choose one, and when you click on this option of basic, then you will be provided with a single column or double column or any of the other ones, but these are quite simple and we can just make changes to them as per our choice. And when we click on this themed one also, we can completely change them. Just use the structure of that particular template and change the text and images and color and all the other things to our wishes. So let's choose one of them. Let's choose this one for now. Just click on it and it will preview how it actually looks like. So it looks fine. Then we can just click on this option of use template. After that, we can make changes to it. So in order to change the logo, you just have to click on the logo option over on the top and click on this option of replace. So you can just add your logo in place of this logo instead. And you will also be provided with certain more options to choose from, so you can just edit it accordingly. Like if you want your logo to be on the left hand side, then you can just click on this option and it will go on the left, and for right you just need to click on the right. So this is how it will work. You can just play around with these settings as per your requirements. We can also change the color of it, and suppose you want the color to be as per your brand needs or requirements, and you can just change it to whatever color you want. So just play around with it. After that, you can also change the headlines or the text over here. You can add links to it. Like for the shop, you will be provided with link 1, link 2, link 3. So basically when someone clicks on shop, they will be redirected to a particular shop that might be on your website. And in the similar way, deals will redirect them to different deals on your website, and this way all the other buttons will work. We can also click on a particular section and just drag and drop them below and move them around as per our wishes. So we have complete freedom to make changes to it. We can also change the photo over here. We can add our brand's photo on this instead of this one. And all the text over here can also be changed. So when you click on this particular section, all the edit options will appear on the left hand side, where you will be able to make changes. Like if I want to remove it, I can just simply select it and click on delete, and all the text will be deleted. And if you want to make changes to the text, like I want to make it look bold, so I will just click on bold and italics, so it will be italics. So this is how it will work. And you can also change the font style, and everything is changeable. And when you click on this option of social links at the very bottom, just click on it, and here you can provide the social links of your brand, like Instagram for your brand, Facebook, and email. And for the footer, you just need to click on footer and you can change it accordingly. But the Klaviyo watermark will be there in your email campaign, and if you want to remove it, then you need to just upgrade your Klaviyo account, and after that you will be able to get the option to remove this option. And this is how it all works, and this is how your campaigns can be designed, your email can be designed on Klaviyo. And it is quite easy and anyone can do it, because we got three different options to choose from. One is drag and drop, the second one is simple plain text, and the third one is HTML. So it serves everyone's purpose. Like If someone is expert in designing it, then they can choose different options, and someone is like the beginner just like me, so they can just choose this option of drag and drop, and after that they can just design it. You can also see how it will look like on mobile by just clicking on this option of mobile, and this is how it will appear on a mobile device. So let's switch back it to desktop, and now we can just click on this option of save and exit, and after that we just get back to our screen, and this time with our email campaign created. We can just send we can also create an A/B testing for it, like if this campaign actually works or not, so we can just send it to some people out of our selected list. So for that we can just click on this option of A/B test, create A/B test. After that we need to just click on this option of continue to review, and here it will ask us once again whether we are ready to send or not, and we can also make changes to a certain decisions that we made before while creating this particular campaign, like we selected recipients, and after creating this campaign we feel like that we can add some more people to it, we can remove some more people to it, then we can just simply click on this option of edit over here, and we will be able to curate our recipients list over again, and this way you will be able to select and make changes to other options as well. And after that you need to just click on this option of schedule or send, just click on it, and if you want to schedule it you just need to change the date and the time and strategy, and just click on this option of schedule. And if you want to just start this campaign right now, then you can just simply click on this option of send now, and it will be started right away. So this is how you use Klaviyo for your email marketing or marketing campaigns using Klaviyo. And you got complete freedom to design your emails as per your wishes, your requirements, and as per your targeting audience. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you still got any problem or if you are stuck at some place, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.